So check it out. It's check it out. It's 10:14 p.m. in Michigan. Hang on a second. Okay, I know I'm crazy, but I still think this has some validity. Oh, hang on a second. Okay, it's nighttime, obviously, and it's sprinkling. I got my baseball cap on with my little LED headlight. Now that's the 20-meter end fed. Shit hits the fan chaos antenna, right? Hang on, I'm gonna turn around. So I'm standing on my deck. That window, that's my shack. I have a wire that lays on the surface of the ground that follows around that corner around here, and it basically goes down to the end of the deck, to the end of the house down there. It's tucked in under the deck and whatnot, but it's at no point is it buried. I'm gonna walk under that shack window. Hang on. Okay, so here we are. There's my coax to my inverted V's up in the pine trees. In here is my bundle of ground wires of counterpoises. Okay, so the one I just showed you heads that way, heads due north. That is due south. Check it out. Neighbors think I've lost my fucking mind. Okay, so two of those counterpoise wires are just together. They run along. The grass has consumed them now, but they're just been consumed by the grass, whatnot. I never buried them. Okay, so we've walked about 30 feet, 40 feet, whatever. From this point, one heads due west, one heads due east. The only southern facing counterpoise I have is that section that we just walked, right? Over to that shack window right there. Okay, hang on. So that's the 20-meter wire, right? It's a little center support I got. Walk back under the shack window and let's look. If I can get my light to light it up. No, I cannot. But you know what, man? I think it has validity. Hang on. Because right now, that's my laundry room. What if it was your tent? What if it was a cave? What if it was whatever it is, where you're staying safe? And what if all you could do is get up at 20-meter end fed for, 6 feet high, 4 feet high, 2 feet high, doesn't matter, laying 1 foot high? I've already shown I can work DX on an antenna laying on this very deck I'm standing on. But what if that's all you got up? And 20's dead. And you need to talk to the people you hear on 40, or at least listen. Without letting your presence be known, you want to listen. Will this 20-meter and fed chaos, what the hell happened antenna, can you use it on 40? Well, you throw some wires on the ground. Yeah, you take you a bunch of wire and toss it out your cave. That's what you do. And you won't believe the good results I've had using this as what amounts to a mobile antenna. It's only 28 feet long. It's not even a quarter wave on 40 meters. And you'll see why I'm calling it a mobile antenna in a minute. It's a mobile antenna that tipped over on its side. Okay. Yeah. I gotta get to work on the Unun 73. Hey, check it out. You want to see something that's a hoot? Man, so this wire right here, okay, I've got a little, about 1.5 foot long, clip lead extension or whatever to get it to tune on 40 meters. It's my 20-meter end fed, right? My most recent one out there. It's the one that's 28 feet long. and it's shorter than a quarter wave on 40. So what do I do? I use the 4-to-1 tap because it introduces inductance and it turns that wire into a base-loaded. Yeah, think of it as a mobile antenna, a really really nice mobile antenna, a really long one that's tipped over on its side. That's what you got with the 3 counterpoise wires. You know what's ridiculous, man? When I use it, so it's a 20-meter end fed. When I use it on 40 meters, I've been calling. Here, I've been doing this, man. Check this out. Test, 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 right? So I've been using. I didn't even bother to tune it. Even better than that, 1.78. That's fine. And so I've been using 10 watts. Okay, check this out, man. Focus, focus. Please, camera. All right. Do I delete this thing? Look at the signal level reports. On 40 meters with a 6-foot high wire, a 6-foot high quarter wavelength wire. It's not even a friggin' dipole. It's a crappy vertical that tipped over. That's what it is. Look. Look. You know? Can you work people? Hell yeah, you can work people. You think not? Oh. I don't even, you know what, man? I can't even tell if, my God, this, yeah, I gotta stop complaining about this phone. Frickin' horrible. You wanna see a real hoot? I did that last night, too. And, yeah, I'm working on rewinding the Unun, those videos. But a man can't, a man's gotta play. See what I see? That was last night, doing the same thing, using that 20-meter end fed as a 40-meter tipped over on its side vertical with laying on the ground counterpoises, right? This is just a handheld crap video. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to show people. Yeah. Is that not the silliest thing you've ever freaking seen in your life? Really? Really? Using a 28-foot long wire 6 feet high off the ground against 3 wires laying on the ground as a counterpoise. That's crazy. 73.